Now we are going to write the answer number 4. So what is question number 4? Who was the stranger that came to old man's house? So we have done 3 answers. Now who was the stranger that came to the old man's house? Who came to the old man's house? Yes, who will tell me? Write down answer number 4. The stranger that came to old man's house was stranger that came to the old man's house was, yes, who was he? Who will tell me the name of that person who came to the old man's house? He was Mr. Hunter. Was Mr. Hunter. He was a giant and he had horns on his head. And he had horns on his head. He was, his skin was blackish red and his body was muscular. His skin was blackish red and his body was muscular. Right? And he was wearing only the lion's cloth. He was wearing only a loin cloth. So what is loin cloth? Loin cloth used to cover this part only, from the waist to the thighs. So only this part is covered and he was wearing only the loin cloth. This part is called the loin, right? Not the animal lion. That is L-I-O-N, lion, animal. This is loin, L-O-I-N. So where did Kanta finally find his place? Finally, Kanta, where did he find the place? Finally, where did he find that he could sleep properly? Where nobody can get disturbed by his snore? So which was its place? Which was the place? It was sky, because that giant took him to the sky with him. So write down, Kanta finally Mr. Thunder took him with him so that his snoring can be used. His snoring sound used for thundering sound of rain. Kanta slept very well in the sky because there nobody was getting disturbed by his snores. Getting disturbed by his snore. So Kanta finally found his place in the sky. Mr. Thunder took him with him so that his snoring sound can be used for the thundering sound as he was getting old. So Kanta slept very well in the sky because there nobody was getting disturbed by his snore. So finally he found his place in the sky. There he slept well and he snored aloud because there was nobody who can get disturbed by his snore, and he was happy and healthy there. And his snoring was used as the thundering sound. So he was very happy and healthy. Yes. Now we come to the B part. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs given in the bracket. So open your book at page number 112. Now we will start with the fill in the blanks. So should I write this? Yes. Open your books. We will do the back exercise of the chapter Kanta's Snore. So now open your book at page number 112. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of words given in the brackets. A horse has enough. So now we are going to start with the B part. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of words given in the brackets. A horse has enough dash to pull a cart. A horse has enough first kaida strength. Second, I cannot keep on dash fat if I don't get any sleep. I cannot keep on getting fat. So we have to change the forms of the words that are given in front of the sentences, and we have to change their forms and use them in the blanks. Strong का मैंने बना दिया strength, enough strength, and I cannot keep on getting fat. Getting. So it is getting. Kanta's snore made the frogs motionless. Motionless. Fourth, the old man was dash about Kanta. Worried. The old man was worried about Kanta. The fifth one. Now it was my dash to come down to the earth. It was my decision. It was my decision. So with this we have completed the B A part also. Now, look at the two sentences. I am at page number 113. Okay, language skills. Look at the two sentences. The old man could do nothing. The old man could not do anything. So now write the following sentences on the pattern given above. Nothing ko we can change into do anything. Okay, not do anything. Kanta is nowhere in the world. Kanta is not anywhere in the world. Yes. So we will start here. Language skills. It's page 113. Okay. Number 1. Kanta is nowhere in the world. So write down in the book only. You write down in the book only, not in the notes. Kanta is not anywhere in the world. Fine? Second. The old man found nobody at the door. The old man did not find anybody at the door. यहाँ could not be आ सकता. The old man found nobody at the door. The old man do not find anybody. Did not find anybody. Third, he had none to tell his problems. He had nobody. So he had nobody to tell his problems. He had nobody to tell his problems. The horse had done no work for a week. The horse had not done any work for the week. The horse had not done any work for a week. Fifth, the old man can see nothing without spectacles. The old man cannot see anything without spectacles. The old man cannot see anything without spectacles. Fine. Join the following pairs of sentences using because. Now when we join two sentences using because, it means that we are doing the conjunctions. Conjunctions, because is one of the conjunction. So the horse had lost his strength, he could not sleep for many days. Now we will join these two sentences using the because. How? Let's see. The horse had lost his strength because he could not sleep for many days. Now we take the second part. They won the match, they played well. They won the match because they played well. Now you have to write like this. So we can write from here downwards. This is B. Fine. So second one. They won the match Full stop. We have used because here, right? Children are not going to school, today is a holiday. So we will write down children are not going to school because today is a holiday. Children are not going to the school because today is a holiday. 4. The conference had to be postponed. The manager was ill. So we will write the conference had to be postponed because the manager was ill. The conference had to be postponed because the manager was ill. Fine. So we are using the word because in every sentence. So now we come to the 5th one. Kanta was snoring loudly. The old man was angry with him. So Kanta was snoring loudly. The old man was angry with him because Kanta was snoring loudly. So we will take the second sentence here. The old man was angry with him because Kanta was snoring loudly. Clear? Now come to the 6th one. You will not attend the party. He has not invited us. So we will not attend the party because he has not invited us. We will not attend the party he has not invited us. So with this we have completed the language skill part. So you write down these language skills A and B part, then we will move to the further. So first of all finish this part. Substitute suitable words for the underlined ones and then we use them in the sentences of our own. Like the first one is enough sleep. There back. Now we have to change back. Strong horse. Next they कर सकते हैं, right? तो हम इतना तो कर ही सकते हैं. So we will first of all we will change the words. We will substitute it. Word part. First of all we will change the strong back. तो strong back की जगह हमने क्या कर दिया? इसको कट करके लिख दिया strong horse. Clear? So now we will use in a sentence strong horse. तो आप लोग यहाँ पे horse करते हैं because हमने जो second part of the word है उसको change करना है. हमने यहाँ कर दिया strong horse भी कर सकते हैं या strong man भी कर सकते हैं. Man कर दीजिए strong man, right? So now make a sentence. Mr. Thunder was a strong man. Mr. Thunder was a strong man. So we can use this word in the sentence. Now we take the second one, tiny. Frogs है, frogs की जगह हमने इसको कुछ और करना है. Tiny frogs है ना. Tiny, what can we use? Tiny. Hole. Tiny hole. Right. A mouse went into a tiny hole. So here we have used this word, tiny hole. A mouse has went into a tiny hole. Third word is next. Now we have to change the next. Morning की जगह हमने कुछ और डालना है. Next. Morning. Next. Girl. Next boy. Next step. Anything you can use. Next day. We are going to the movie. We are going to the movie next day. We are going not moving. We are going to shopping next. Now the fourth one. It is high. High mountain लिखा है. High hill. That girl was wearing high heels. So we have used these words also in sentences. Now we come to the next one, fifth, young man. So we can write down young lady. king married a beautiful young lady. Now the gorgeous snored. Gorgeous. 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 Gorgeous के साथ हम क्या लगा सकते हैं? Gorgeous girl, gorgeous dress, right? So we can use that. Gorgeous dress. This dress, no. Wearing gorgeous dress. Here, so we have made the sentences of all 6. Now the part added to the end of the word is called suffix and the to the following words to make new words. Make changes if necessary. Strong, strength. They have written at the wrong place, right? So ये strong के आगे कर दीजिए आप कट करके. Strong का strength बन गया, deep का depth. That is the B part. This is A part. This is B part. Strong, strength. Deep, depth. Deep का बन जाता है depth. Then wide. Wide का width. Long.